What's happening, everybody? So excited to have you here. Another episode at Bar Forge. If you haven't already guessed, this episode is about the power hammer. Now, we've already done and got everything done, put the power hammer in. This is going to be the intro. So you're going to get to see all the process and everything on how we got it here in the shop and everything we did to it. So get ready to see some awesome footage on us getting the new power hammer in, and then we'll do a little explanation of it after we get done. Enjoy the video. that's super exciting. We've got the power hammer finally in. Get ready to see some awesome videos of us getting this thing in action, making some stuff with it. That'll be soon to come this year. After we get done with our tool series, which this is a tool, part of our tool series. As always, we thank you guys so much for your support. Make sure that you like, share, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you're updated every single time. Be on the lookout every Monday for all of our new videos for the tool series, and Thursdays at 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for our live streams, Tinker with Troy. Anything else you want to add to it?
That does it, man. We are just so excited about what is to come for Bar Run Forge in 2021 and ahead in the future. And we're just so excited that you guys have come in to join us on this journey. We appreciate you so much. God bless you guys. Take care, and we'll see you for the next one.